Alright. So, mga amazing, meron tayong mainit-init na topic.
But first, 3-2.
Oh, yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Congratulations, Ginebra.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Congratulations for winning the game. Game 5 yun, right?
Yeah.
So, bago natin pag-usapan si Poy Eram. Kasi, di ba naalala mo, parang pinagtanggol pa natin siya before. Remember when we...
Sinabi natin, passionate lang siya. Emotions got the best of him. Di ba? So what do you have to say to him now?
Well, first...
Pero ito sabi ni Kirby.
Comment ng Kirby Raimundo pag-usapan natin.
Sa gawa, kung makapag-inarte itong player na ito, alam mo siya yung nagdadala ng team.
Para sabihan ka ng isang Kirby Raimundo, medyo mabigat yan. Mr. Poy Eram. Medyo nagiging ano ka na... dala niya yung PBA 50. Dala mo yung PBA, may mga company ka na dinadala. Token Text, yung team mo, dinadala mo rin yan. Dapat, for me, as a basketball player, dapat magiging role model ka rin. Do you agree?
Tsaka for me, napanood ko yung interview ni Coach Chot.
Yeah. I saw the interview Coach Chot as well.
Sabi niya parang he had enough of his antics daw eh. Alam mo yun?
May hangganan din yung mga coach.
Yeah, and for me, parang that's part of the reason nanalo Ginebra. Kasi naging distraction siya sa team niya.
Ano yung mga sinasabi ng mga fans din?
Di ba? So, yung mga fans nagte-thank you sa kanya.
That's mad. That's sad. That is sad for Poy.
Kasi, lalo na yan, pag crucial yung laban, tapos,
mag-aaway sa loob ng commotion sa dugout.
Hindi, sa court.
Sa huddle mismo.
Sa huddle mismo. And instead of you focusing on the game, it's already hard to beat Ginebra kung buo yung team, di ba? Mas mahirap talunin ng Ginebra pag sila nag-aaway-away na. So, yun nga, yung mga fans tumatawa kay Eram ngayon kasi nga, napalano na yung Game 5 para sa amin.
Yun nga, tama ka. Mahirap na nga kalaban yung Ginebra na kompleto yung lineup nyo, maganda yung chemistry nyo. Nasisira pa yung chemistry, lalong mahirapan ka sa Ginebra. Yeah. Dahil yung crowd, almost lahat ng buong nasa Araneta, Ginebra eh.
Tsaka ako, feeling ko, parang si Poy, yung may mga niya, Poy?
Poy Eram.
Si Poy, yung ginagawa itong mga antics niya, nakita niya nagte-trending siya, pinapag-usapan siya. So feel ko parang ginawa niya na yung parang way of pag-usapan siya. Parang ni-embrace niya. Sige, bad boy ako. Okay, I'm gonna act like a bad boy.
Masama naman yun.
Yun nga.
Sa image mo as a basketball player.
Yeah. But what I'm saying is, that's the reason why he's doing it, because he's getting attention from social media.
Speaking of Kirby Raimundo, nakausap ko siya kanina umaga. I talked to him. I told him, Kuya, gusto mo ba i-justify yung sinabi mo? Kasi, pag si Kirby Raimundo nagsabi sa'yo niyan, dapat matatamaan ka niyan. Kasi legend sa basketball natin yan.
Sa same position pa sila.
Exactly. So, for me, ako, honestly, siyempre mas matanda ako kay Poy Eram. Ikaw lalo. Ba't tumatawa ka? Hindi nga, tayo. Mas matanda tayo kay Poy Eram. Hindi naman, compliment. Huwag ka masasaktan. Okay, mas matanda tayo kay Poy Eram. Meron tayong rights to give him advice. And itong sinabi ni Kuya Kirby na to, baka sa future pasalamatan niya si Kuya Kirby. You know why? For me, ito advice ko kay Poy Eram. Do not take everything for granted. Hindi tayo forever basketball player.
Yeah, man.
May probability dahil sa patuloy mo yung ginagawa yung mga antics mo na mismong coaches na yung nagkakaroon ng problema sa'yo. Baka pati yung owner magka-problema sa'yo. Baka yung buong teammates mo magka-problema sa'yo. Kasi tama si JJ. Nasira yung chemistry nyo, nasira yung takbo ng game dahil sa antics mo. For me, I'm gonna say na medyo baguhin mo yung approach mo sa basketball. Kung how you handle the fans, kung yung how you handle the game, how you handle the coaches, and how you handle the teammate. Kasi sa teammate niya yung antics niya before. Ngayon, sa coach.
Kasi he might regret later yung ginawa niya. Kasi pagdating na ng next game, natalo sila, you're gonna go back to that situation nangyari. And you're gonna be like, dang, dapat di ko ginawa yun.
Meron pa yung ito. Of course, Thompson-Brownlee connection. As you can see.
Hey, si Holt Si Holt, grabe defense niya. Grabe defense niya.
Ito pa. Sakit sa mata. Sabi ni Kirby Raimundo. Ito, lakihan natin. Yan. Sakit sa mata, feeling superstar at papansin sa pag-iinarte. RDO, kindly help itong isip bata na ito. Oh. That's RDO meaning Ranidel de Ocampo.
Ranidel.
Well, kasama natin si Kuya Ranidel de Ocampo sa...
Yeah, I'm sure Ranidel and all the other guys, even Kelly Williams and all those veterans, I'm sure kinakausap si Poy.
Ba't walang effect? Bakit?
Nasa player na yan kung gusto niyang makinig. Di ba?
I think, if I'm correct nag-comment si Poy Eram na yung mga gumagawa ng stories about him is not even 1% na na-achieve niya. Post niya yun, nakita ko. Kasi lahat ng pinopost niya medyo sinishare na rin sa Facebook. So nabasa ko lang, parang baka sa atin din baka sa atin yung pinapatama niya. We're not here to judge you or to fight you, Poy Eram. We just want to give you advice. So, siguro lampas yung 1% sa mga achievement namin. Baka ako 1%, si JJ most likely lampas niya yung 100% na achievement mo. So, hopefully, hindi ka ma-open sa mga topic namin. Sana mapanood mo to for you to understand that, again, do not take basketball, your career for granted.
Alam mo, sayang kasi he's a good player, man.
He's good, and he's tall. He's big.
It's very rare you find in the Philippines na agile na big na katulad ni Poy. Pero tama ka, don't take it for granted. Tama si Kirby. Stay humble lang, bro. Don't masyadong china-challenge mo yung mga coaches mo. Lalo na si Coach Chot. Legend coach yan.
Legend coach.
That's true. Diba?
That's our Philippine team coach. That's a champion coach and coach of the year, multiple award.
Mga coaches na ganyan dapat, they give them nothing but respect, man.
Cherish mo, right?
Diba? And nasa championship kayo. If you have issues, talk to him
after
the game, inside the locker room, between you guys, so that, diba, sa inyong dalawa lang yun. You don't need to broadcast sa court and sa mga fans na nanonood. Kasi magiging nga lang yan. Magiging distraction. It's gonna be hindrance sa goal nyo manalo ng championship. And para sa akin, advantage sa amin yan. So,
NSD.
No, I'm just being honest.
Well,
pag ikaw pag nakikita mo yung kabilang team nag-aaway-aaway na, anong nasa mentality mo?
Yan na.
Yes, sir! Gagawin niya, yeah, we're in their head. Yan ang sasabihin, we're in their head, let's go.
Kasi nakikita mo yung huddle nyo, saka yung huddle ng kabila, that's like 20 meters away.
Yeah.
So, you will see kung
magkakaroon ng problem. Tapos makikita mo pa sa jumbo screen yan. Sasabihin ako, guys, tignan mo they're, sila, watak-watak na sila. They don't want this game.
The next day, sa practice, yung coaches, papalabas sa big screen. Sasabihin, guys, tingnan nyo nangyari sa kanila. Ha?
Tsaka that was a close game. That was a close game.
Hindi, close game before the antics.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Diba? So, little things like that can turn the whole series around, man. And
Or baka sometimes it can positive.
It can work for the positive, but we got the advantage now.
That game.
Yeah.
Baka magamit.
No, we're up one. What we need is one more to win.
No, but baka magamit ni Coach Chot yung hype ng.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is instead of them being up one, we're up one.
Yeah, exactly.
You get what I'm saying?
You have the advantage though.
So we have the advantage. All we gotta do is win one game, and Justin is good at closing out championship series.
Exactly.
So
you think it's gonna be? I think ang game is Friday. If I'm not mistaken, So you think it's gonna be?
Do you think we get tickets?
Commissioner, nag-aabang na kami. Baka may kaya namin bumili. Huwag kayo magsabi na, ba't di kayo bumili na everyday?
Hindi, mga bilis sold out na yun eh.
Sold out. Kaya nga natin bumili. Wala akong
mabili.
mabibilad. Kasi knowing Ginebra game,
Sold out na yan. For sure.
Unless doon kami sa bleachers. So, telescope.
Pwede naman, nakatayo tayo.
Telescope. Ha?
Pwede naman, nakatayo lang tayo.
Again, si Kirby Raimundo, kilala ko yan. That's a very mild person, Christian. Kasama namin nagba-Bible study yan. If nagsalita si Kirby ng ganito, medyo tamaan ka kasi dapat may ano to.
It's ano naman. It's coming from a good place. Kasi for sure Kirby doesn't want him to fail, di ba? He just wants him to succeed. Alam ko, bata ni Kirby to eh.
I think so. Yeah,
diba?
si Poy Eram, hopefully, again, huwag ka ma-open, pinag-uusapan ka namin. Technically, pinagtatanggol ka namin.
Tsaka lang ko dati, kino-compare siya kay Kirby.
Exactly.
Diba?
So, isang karangalan yan na ma-compare ka sa isang Kirby Raimundo.
Yes, sir.
Naging teammate ko yan. Naging Bible study namin. Naging leader namin yan sa faith namin. I-cherish mo yan kasi dadating yung time. Pag nakita mo si Kirby Raimundo, sabihin mo sa kanya, Kuya Kirbs, thank you sa comment mo. Nagising ako.
Yeah,
dahil hindi pa huli ang lahat.
Word advice lang.
Yeah, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Baka next year, maging successful ka dahil sa mga gantong comment. Next round. Hindi ngayon kasi Ginebra mo nanalo.
Yeah. Alam mo, Rix, ako din, I had moments like that. Sasabog ka.
No way.
And then after the game or a day later, you regret it, man. Yung parang, dang, dapat hindi ko ginawa yun.
Yeah, nasa huli lagi ang pagsisisi.
Yeah, kasi minsan your emotions get the best of you, man. Lalo na in intense laban, championship. Yung passion mo, yung emotions mo, lahat nagsasama-sama eh. Yung pressure, di ba? And then, minsan it gets to that point. Pero, yun nga, you're gonna regret it later, especially if the results is negative.
Again, laging nasa huli ang pagsisisi. Pero kung ipagsisisihan mo, it's not too late. Kasi baka mamaya, next year, ganyan ka na naman. Dumating na yung point, wala nang team na gusto sa'yo. Wala nang coaches na gusto sa'yo. Wala ka nang mapuntahan.
Kasi anong ba gusto ng mga coaches? Coachable ka, di ba?
Exactly.
Coachable. Yan ang gusto ng mga coaches.
You're ready to listen. You're ready to obey.
You're gonna go at a legendary coach, man. Dang. Pero alam ko si Coach Shot, gusto rin niya yung ganyan. Kesa, alam mo si Coach Shot, sinabi niya sa amin, nasa national team kami, instead of just you're saying stuff to your teammates, direct mo na sa akin. Yun ang gusto ni Coach Shot.
Bakit napikon yung Coach Shot?
Baka wrong timing lang. Pwede naman...
Emotion. Baka naman na emotional din si Coach.
Tsaka paulit-ulit na yatang ginagawa ni Poyero.
Baka hindi na okay
diba?
Sa team. Hindi na nakakabuti. May question ako sa'yo. Okay? Of course, Coach Shot yan. Legendary yan. Parang naalala ko, galing to kay Coach Yeng eh.
Yeah.
Do you think kaya niyang gawin kay Coach Yeng Yao yun?
Hindi nga gawin kay Coach Yeng yan.
May sampal. Baka masampal yan.
Next day, na yan. Baka na-trade na yan.
Sabihin lang namin Coach Yeng, palisin mo yan, o ako ang alis. Diba? Ganun.
Hindi pwede gawin kay Coach Yeng.
Really?
Hindi gagawin. Kailan mo nakita ginanya si Coach Yeng?
Walang sumasagot kay Coach Yeng. Alright?
Show the same respect lang.
Yeah. Everyone. Basta naging coach mo.
Pati yung teammates mo din eh.
Exactly.
Diba?
So, there you go, mga amazing.
To get respect, you gotta give respect.
Yeah, the order for you to get respect, you need to respect also others.
Yeah.
Do not do to others.
Ano?
Do not do to others.
No, do to others you want them to do unto you.
And do not do to others.
But you don't want them to do to you.
Yes, sir. Okay? So, mga amazing, yan, napag-usapan na natin. Of course, ni-request nyo to. Medyo makapagbigay kami ng advice, opinion, and suggestion. Again, this is only our take. Baka hindi kayo sangayon. Just comment lang kayo below. Special thank you na kami sa aming mga tumutulong sa PBA Moto Club natin.
Yes, sir.
Special shoutout sa Beast Motorcycle Tires.
Siloon Tires.
Of course, the #1 tire dito sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
And Pocari Sweat.
Yep, and our guy Jason of HJC.
Triumph JT Manila.
Yes.
And meron po kami meeting mamaya. So,
and also, shout out to
Fullprint Manila, ang ating bagong
Boss Mikoy.
Yes, Sir
Shout
Mikoy. Ang ating jersey na merchandises natin. Si Fullprint na po ang gumagawa.
Yes, sir.
So, thank you. And stay amazing kayo mga amazing. Always stay amazing. Even others.
NSG, let's go. Ginebra.
Stay amazing even others are not. One more. Yun ang ating ang ating quote of the day. Alright?